Guys, welcome to another video and thank you for clicking to this video. If you're new here, I'm Caroline and I do everything home. So in today's video, I'm going to start by washing my hair. It's early in the morning. I have an appointment at 8 because I want to go do my hair and then go for my monthly shopping. So that's the plan of the day.
Every time we say goodbye, they all see that it's a lie. 'Cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't.
Hi guys, so this is how my hair turned out. My stylist convinced me to do colored braids. I don't usually do colored braids. I do black and brown, but I love the way it turned out. So now I'm back from the shopping and I'm going to quickly show you what I bought. Today I was shopping on a budget and I managed to save 3,000 from what I usually use. The money I use for shopping every month. I managed to save 3,000 and that was really good. So I bought eggs for chapati. Yeah, I bought 2 of them. Yeah, 2. I bought a maize as usual. We love a maize in this house. For ugali, I bought 4 of them because we eat a lot of ugali in this house. I bought 4. Yeah, 4 of them. I bought Salad cooking oil, 3 liters. I bought Santa Lucia spaghetti. I really love this one. 1,000 grams. I bought 1 kg of Mumia's sugar because I still have some sugar left, so I only added 1 kg. I bought some tea, Faraja tea. And this one. Yeah, Faraja tea. I bought some Raha cocoa. I bought Blue Band 1 kg. I bought some Zesta sweet and hot sauce. We love this one. I bought some muffins for the kids. I also got some yogurt for the kids. I bought 4 of them. I bought vanilla and strawberry and what? And coconut. I also bought some juice. Go fruit. I love Go fruit because it's really yummy and it's also affordable. So I got this mojito and mango and orange. I bought some beef sausages, fresh milk. I love Ilara, it's really yummy. I bought 4 packets. I bought Molfix pants for my son. Nowadays my daughter doesn't use diapers, so I'm only buying for 1 child and it's really saved a lot of money. Bought Velvex, reply tissues and Bloom reply tissues. I bought some Dettol soap and Dettol company is really making my life interesting because every time I buy the soap I get either a basin or today I got 2 buckets. Yeah. So I have three basins, and now I have 2 buckets from Dettol. At this point, I should just like open a Mali Mali business with this Dettol things that I get after buying Dettol soap. I bought Rush liquid detergent for washing dishes. I got Ariel. You know I love Ariel. 3.5 kgs. And I bought Nivea Black and White Invisible. I bought 1. Blue Vaseline. My kids use this a lot. I bought 2 of them. I also bought this Morning Fresh scoring powder. I love it for cleaning my bathroom and my sinks. It really does a good job. Yeah, and that's my shopping. It was on a budget, and I really love how I shopped today because I managed to save money. Yeah, I'm so happy about that.
Every time we say goodbye, they all see that it's a lie. 'Cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by.
I also passed through the greengrocer and bought a few groceries. I'm going to be cleaning them and then clean the fridge and organize it.
Will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight. Happier tonight. Happier tonight. Can't be waiting for you in the morning. I'ma leave without giving a warning. I'ma leave without giving a. But every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's a lie. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight. Happier tonight. Happier tonight. Can't be waiting for you in the morning. I'ma leave without giving a warning. I'ma leave without giving a. But every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's a lie. I just wanna be happy.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around.
Let me take this opportunity to welcome all the new subscribers. You welcome to my channel. We do everything home, and I know you will enjoy being here. If you're a returnee, you know you're my favorite person. And for my premier gang, you guys, you're the best. I love you so much.
eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. And we can do nothing at all. So what? If you're stupid, then you know there's nothing wrong. But you and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. But you and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. And we can do nothing at all. So what? If you're stupid, then you know there's nothing wrong. But you and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Found in the dark, broken and scarred. You were there for me. Gave you my heart, it was a part. You were the one I needed. Love like this is really hard to find. Guess I met you at the right time. Found in the dark, broken and scarred. You were there for me. Gave you my heart, it was a part. You were the one I needed. Love like this is really hard to find. Guess I met you at the right time. Gave you my heart, broken to pieces. You fixed it again. But